This is our teens woodworking class. And what our students are working on in this class is making mallets. This was our first project. Now, if you want, you could smooth that a little bit with some hand sandpaper, right? Slow and steady. Okay? So let's pull it out and see. Oh, not quite through, all right?
Trimming the dowel on the hammer to keep the handle and the hammer together.
I'm smoothing down the handle for the mallet.
Yeah. This is an alternative way you could make a head for the mallet, right? This would kind of be the same thing here. This is something that the students are learning to do, and they'll be continuing to do, is learning how to use a lathe to turn pieces of wood.